a whole head of garlic is going in. A whole head of...
It's yummy, tasty, funky, fresh, it's the Roddy Special delivery!
Okay, tonight we're making aubergine parmigiana with some homemade garlic bread, and we're going to do tomato sauce as well. For the tomato sauce, we just got some assorted chopped tomatoes, 2 roughly chopped onions, so I'll show you how you do, like just like that, just in quarters. Olive oil, salt, pepper. A bit of garlic is going in as well. Okay, so we got the onions, the garlic.
Yeah, but they know that. This is done, man.
Okay, sauce is done, 200 degrees for maybe like an hour. And then we're gonna get on with the bread. The baguette. For the baguettes, I've just got some yeast blooming and some warm water there, about body temperature. We're gonna do 2 cups of strong bread flour. 1. What's next? 2. And we need some salt. Boom, straight in. Kind of a rough, shaggy dough. Just like that. You start bringing it together, folding over on itself. Again, it feels like a really warm nappy, which is good. Bringing in more flour when you need, eh? Just gonna put it in an oiled bowl and leave it somewhere really warm for like 45 minutes. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut the aubergines into thin strips, maybe like ½ centimeter thick. I'm gonna salt them with some salt, just to draw out the moisture, because then when you pan fry them, they'll get really nice and crispy instead of going mushy and shit. Top and tail off. Peel this little green thing off, we don't want that.
Is it called? What's the proper name for it?
Skirt. Try and make them as even as you can. And these are going to be the layers of the, whatchamacallit? Boom. Boom. It's important to keep fit any way you can. You don't have a body like mine. Look at that. Wow. Okay. What I'm going to do is knock all the air out. Look at all that. That is amazing. Go like that. I started watching The Maze Runner again. The one that finished second was really good. You kind of want to start soft at the top and then push harder towards the bottom. Little slug. Sluggy. You put that in a oiled tray. So it doesn't stick, and we're just going to do the same again for dessert. Okay, so I'm taking the aubergines and we're just going to fry them for about a minute tops, because they're going to continue cooking in the oven. What you want to do here is just kind of start firming up the outside so it doesn't go too soggy. Hello. So yeah, look, it's getting a little bit of colour on the outside, expelling some more moisture. Whoa! We're going to give them 3 diagonal cuts with a sharp knife. Boom, 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 boom. Straight into a 200-degree oven for 20 minutes. Done. And then it's coming to you, whoever you are. So on the bottom, base layer, I'm going to do some of your tomato sauce, just so it doesn't stick. Boop, 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 boop. This is so good. Some local Edinburgh mozzarella that was kindly dropped off for us. Just dot this around, Dotted in some basil as well. You either kill or you get killed. So my mum taught me when I was younger. Huh. god. You want it to sound like that? Hollow. Yeah, look at that as well, huh? Came heavy. Ooh. Hell yeah. We're gonna make a little parsley garlic sauce. That's it. Do a little mixy mix. Okay. Just gonna put it down somewhere. Special delivery, the winner of tonight's competition. Oh my god. We have a lovely aubergine parmigiana with some homemade garlic bread. Congratulations to Erin. Tonight you are the winner of the lovely aubergine parmigiana and some garlic breads.
Yesterday I was lucky enough to win a little aubergine dinner from the Roddy Lamont cooking Instagram, for which I'm very thankful. It was delicious. There was a surprising bit of cheese in there which just kind of like balanced out the healthiness. It was great. Really enjoyed it. The tomato sauce was rich, flavourful, and the accompanying bread could not have fit the dish better. So thank you, Roddy. This is my official review. 10 out of 10.
It's yummy, tasty, funky, fresh, it's the Roddy Special!
Cause I got no questions, you've got no answers I wanna hear. Do you dear? Cause I'm sinking in the gloom. The dark side of the moon never felt so dark. Darker than your hazel eyes, pale like canvas skies.